The Indian Armed Forces include the Army, Navy, and Air Force along with the Coast Guard. All of them use different types of planes and helicopters like fighter jets, cargo planes, tankers, and drones. The main fighter jet in the Indian Air Force is the Su-30 MKI. It is assembled in India and is known for its power and speed. India also has its own homemade jet called Tejas. It joined the Air Force in 2015 and is a proud step in making Indian defense stronger. In 2020, the powerful Rafale jets from France were added. These are modern and fast, and they've made India's Air Force even more dangerous to enemies. Other fighter planes in service are covered in this video. All these aircraft help the Indian military stay strong, ready, and always prepared.